Welcome to Universal Blogs. In our previous unit, I explained to you about the algebraic expressions and also the algebraic equations. And I have also given some examples also for that. I hope you might have understood about the algebraic expressions and also the algebraic equations. In this unit, let us study about the simplification of the algebraic equations. I am going to consider some of the equations, and I am going to tell you how to solve the algebraic equations. See here in the first example, this is 2x is equal to 10. Here only one variable is there. Again and again I am telling you x is the variable here and 2 is the coefficient of x and 10 is the constant. So here we are going to find the value of the variable. Only single variable is there, that is x. How to find out here the value means, let us take this x to the left hand side. Here when equals sign is there, as I told you, this is an algebraic equation. When equals sign is there, the terms behind the equal sign will be the left hand side of the equation, and after that will be the right hand side of the equation, the terms. And coefficient is there, 2 is the coefficient. So let us shift that coefficient to the other side of the equation. If we are shifting that, we are going to write like this, 10 divided by 2. 2 will come in the denominator part. Or we will take the cross multiplication. You call it as the cross multiplication also. This is nothing but 2x divided by 1. 2x by 1 is equal to 10 by 1. Like that we take and we do the cross multiplication. So by this time all of you know what is the cross multiplication. So I have taken here directly. X is equal to 10 by 2 and we can cancel the terms. 2 1s are and 2 5s are here. So this answer will be 5. So x is equal to 5 here. 5 is the answer. Let me consider the next example. Y minus 3 is equal to 12. Let us retain the variable y this side only. Again let me write equals sign. First let us consider 12 and let us shift this minus 3 to the other side of the equation. Minus 3 will become plus 3. The sign of the number also will change. Minus sign has changed to plus sign when we are shifting it from the left hand side of the equation to the right hand side of the equation. So now again we can add this 12 plus 3 will be again 15. So y is equal to 15 is the answer here. So y, the value of y will be 15. The next problem here is 1 by 3x is equal to 5. In this 1 by 3x, we can directly write it as, see, x by 3 is equal to 5 by 1. As I told you in this first example, like this we can write it in terms of the fraction. X by 3 is equal to 5 by 1. And as I told you in the first example, it is similar to that. Let us do the cross multiplication. X into 1. X into 1 is nothing but x. Again 3 into 5 will be 15. 3 5s are 15. So x is equal to 15 will be the answer here. So we have taken cross multiplication method and we have found the value for the unknown number x. Next is z plus 6 is equal to minus 3. Again let us retain the variable on the left hand side. Usually the variables will be on the left hand side and we will shift the other terms to the other side, that is the right hand side. So minus 3, in the right hand side already minus 3 number is there. So let us write it as it is and let us shift this plus 6 to the other side. When it is shifted, it will be minus 6. Plus 6 will become minus 6. And so now again z will be equal to minus 3 minus 6 means it will be minus 9. So minus 9 will be the answer. And next is 3x plus 2 is equal to 14. Again let me retain 3x this side. 14 and plus 2 when it is shifted to the other side it will be minus 2. So 14 minus 2. So 3x will be equal to 12. 3x will be equal to 12 and x will be equal to, here let me make one column here, small column. X will be equal to 12 divided by 3, or the answer will be x is equal to 4 will be the answer here. So this is how we are solving this problem. X is equal to 4 is the answer here. Let us consider this next example. 2x will be equal to 14 minus 8. Plus 8 is again shifted to the other side. 14 minus 8 means it will be 6. So 2x is equal to 6 and x will be 6 divided by 2, which is nothing but 3. If you cancel this, 2 1s are, 2 3s are. So x will be 3. X, the value of the x is 3. And minus 3y minus 2 is equal to 10. Let us read 10. Here we should be very careful about the signs also. Minus 3y is retained like this only to the left hand side. And again 10 I have written here. Minus 2 you shift it to the other side. It will become plus 2. So minus 3y will be equal to 12. Or y will be equal to 12 divided by minus 3. 12 by minus 3. Minus also will be shifted here. There is no change in that sign. So the answer will be minus 4. 3 1s are and 3 4s are 12. You will cancel this. So because minus is there, plus divided by minus will be minus. So the answer will be minus 4. Minus 4 will be the answer here. So you have to be very careful about the signs also here when you solve the algebraic equations. Here I have showed you only the single variables. Single variables are here. Directly we are solving the values for the single variables. But now let us see how to solve the equation when two variables are there. Now here in this example, you are observing two equations here. Equation 1 and equation 2. Such type of the equations, we usually call it as a simultaneous equations. Simultaneous equations. And here you are observing the two variables. Two variables are there. So now let us see how to solve these equations. X and y. We are going to find the value of the x as well as y. Both the variables we find the values. X plus y is equal to 7 is the first equation. X plus 2y is equal to 11 is the second equation. Here we can solve this by writing this, first writing this one below the other. See, already we have written this one below the other here. When there is no sign here, we have to consider this as plus. Plus x plus x. Again plus y plus 2y. Here x and x is there. And usually for this second equation, we can change the sign here while subtracting. You will subtract the second equation from the first equation. That is the first step. See, this plus x becomes minus here. Plus 2y becomes minus. Okay. And here for y there is no number here, that is coefficient is 1. You consider this as 1y. And here also 1x and 1x I have not mentioned. So x minus x, you can cancel this directly and this will be 0. 0. X minus x will be 0. And here again 1y and minus 2y is there. You consider the new sign here. Don't consider the old sign. We are subtracting the first equation and the second equation. So 1y and minus 2y. 1 minus 2 will be minus 1y here. This is very important. Don't write it as simply 1y. Minus 1y. And here also on the right hand side also, this is nothing but plus 7 and plus 11 was there previously. But while subtracting, it has become minus. So let us change the sign here. So minus 11 and plus 7 will be equal to minus 4. We should be very careful about the signs here. minus 11 and plus 7 is minus 4. And now, so minus 1y will be equal to minus 4, or y is equal to minus 4 divided by minus 1, that is nothing but plus 4. Minus divided by minus will be plus here. So this is plus 4. The value of the y is 4. We have found out the value of the y now. Now let us find out the value of the x. To find out the value of x, let us consider the first equation, that is x plus y is equal to 7. Let us consider the original equation, x plus y is equal to 7. So in the place of y, let us substitute 4. So this will be nothing but x plus 4 is equal to 7, and x will be equal to 7 minus 4, that is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4 is the answer here. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4 is the answer for this simultaneous equation. So this is how we find out the value of the x and y when two variables are there. So now you understood how to solve the algebraic equations when single variable is there and when double variable is there, that is x and y is there, how to solve it. You have understood this. So now let us continue this algebraic expressions and also about the algebraic equations and all. Let us continue regarding this in our next videos. So now all of you please watch this video, like this, share this and subscribe it. Thank you all.